Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about building skills in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in today's video I will talk about building skills in Claude Cowork. It is, I think, very important topic because before you build a single custom skill, Cowork already has some skill installed by default, and I think most of the people never look at them, but they might be useful, and I will show you how to find them and what each one does. So, in order to see building skills, you have two options, because not every building skill is listed by default in settings. So, we'll go into customize section, and here you have skills, and you have two, I would say, separated places. So you have personal skills. This Monday briefing skill is not important. This is the skill created in the previous video, so this is not what we are talking about today. You have skill creator. Skill creator is something that allows AI to create skill for you. If you don't know how does it work, you can go, for example, to the previous video. I used the skill creator skill. You are basically writing a prompt, and AI can, by using this, create you a skill. You can then save it, and this is very easy. But we are talking about this section, which is built in a skill in this video. So you have schedule, setup cowork, and context. Maybe I will start with the setup cowork. So what is setup cowork? You have added by Anthropic. So this is, as you can see, skill added by default. Guided cowork setup, install role, match plugins, connect your tools, try a skill. Setup cowork is basically an onboarding skill, and it walks you through configuring your cowork environment. If you are new, for example, this will be your starting point. It is also useful, for example, if you add a new team member. Instead of explaining to him everything manually, you can trigger the skill, and it guides him through the setup conversation. So this is what is the setup cowork skill. The context one is here. So description: show what's using your context window. Context works like this. So this skill lets Claude remember persistent information about you, your role, for example, your team, your preferences, your writing style. Without it, every conversation starts from zero. So with it, Claude already knows who you are before you type the first word. So this basically allows to save the history, the context of your messages with Claude. And you have the schedule one. Schedule is the calendar awareness skill. So create a scheduled task that can be run on demand or automatically on an interval. So it gives Claude understanding of your week, for example, recurring meetings, time blocks, deadlines. So when you ask for help planning work, it fits around your actual calendar, rather than assuming you have infinite free time. And you can, if you ask the AI to create a scheduled task, then it will execute this skill by default. If you are interested to downloading more skills from Anthropic, you can press on that plus button and on browse skills. You have some of them here. You can read what they are doing, and you can install them by pressing here and pressing install. So this is how does it work. But as I said, we have some more skills that I would say hidden, and I are not able to list them like this. So I actually asked, because maybe if you watch my previous videos, you know that when I showed you how to create a docx file, we were actually executing the docx skill. When I showed you how to create the PowerPoint presentation, we were actually executing the pptx skill. So These are also skills that are built by default into Claude Cowork, but you cannot actually see them, or I didn't find the way to see them. I just asked the AI to list all skills you have access to in this session. He of course listed the skills that I showed you before with the description, but you also have access to additional built-in skills like docx, PDF, pptx and xlsx for working with your Office and PDF files. Want to try any of this? So as you can see, we have some other built-in skills. We have built-in skills, built-in document skills that are always available but not listed in the settings. docx, create, edit or read Word documents. pptx, create, edit or read PowerPoint presentations. PDF, create, merge, split, extract or fill PDF files. xlsx, create, edit or analyze Excel spreadsheets. Plugin management skills, you have create Cowork plugin, build a new Cowork plugin from scratch, Cowork plugin customizer, customize an existing plugins, settings and connectors. If you know what is plugin, I will record the video about plugins in the future, so you can stay on the channel if you are interested. Here you have these registered skills shown in the widget before. These skills are also in the settings, so you saw it before, but this is how it works, and these are the built-in skills in Claude Cowork. So you can actually test them, you can use them on your own if you are interested, but that's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.